Thank you for talking to us today at MoroccoBoard. We've heard you talk earlier about Royal Air Maroc flying from Washington, D.C. Can you tell us a little bit how you came to this decision, and when is it going to start, and the frequency and so forth?
First of all, thank you. It's true that we have done a study in the States about what would be the potential other getaway to in the United States. So we've done a study, and the study today is giving us as first choice Washington. So we're thinking about opening a new getaway in the United States, and it says Washington, and it's probably around the beginning of the summer. So now we are studying the number of frequencies. We're not sure about the number of frequencies yet, but as soon as we will have more information and more detail about frequencies, we will announce it officially.
As you know, there is a lot of complaints about the customer service at Royal Air Maroc from quite a few people. Is there any way that you can improve that? And is there something you can tell us about that issue? Is it an issue that the management is aware of, is trying to work on?
Sure. For the customer service, we are aware about this problem. That is something that we are improving constantly in Royal Air Maroc. So in the headquarters, they are working on this problem. We are improving this the customer service for Royal Air Maroc. What I can say, it's not something very easy to do. It's a long process. It involves a lot of factors. We have training factors. We have recruitment factors. But we're working on it. It's going to be a long process, but we will get there.
Now, Washington D.C. is a less costly airport compared to Kennedy Airport. Is there going to be an improvement on the rates? Are the rates of Royal Maroc going to be competitive compared to what is being practiced right now?
So we will continue our policy of launching promotions. The fare is the fare. The costs are what they are. We have escalating costs. We have heavy costs. But what we have to what I can say is that it's a direct flight. On a direct flight, it's not the same as we have connections in the United States, but we will. The main thing is that we will launch promotion on every flight we have, and communicate, because the problem is communication, and make people be aware about these promotions.
Okay. As far as frequency from Washington, do you have any ideas? Is it going to be? I know you haven't decided on the exact frequency, but are we talking about once a week or more like dailies or somewhere in between?
At the beginning, we can't talk about the daily flights, and not once a week, because it will be more interesting to have 2 or 3 flights a week. So we are about to decide.
Thank you.